Insta360 just did something it rarely does this early in a launch cycle, and it wasn't an accident. After weeks of leaks, blurry photos, and even one lucky buyer who apparently got their hands on a unit before anyone else, the company finally dropped its first official teaser for the Insta360 X6. And even though the clip barely runs 40 seconds, it's packed with clues. We're talking about the imaging system, a brand new processing chip, color depth, and even a hint about where Insta360 wants this camera to shine, literally, after dark. So if you shoot 360 content or you're just curious what's coming next in this space, stick around, because one of these 5 details might completely change how you think about this camera. Let's start with a headline detail, because Insta360 confirmed the X6 is stepping up to 1-inch imaging. Now, before you picture 2 massive traditional sensors crammed into a tiny 360 body, that's probably not what's happening here. The design appears to be a square-style sensor built specifically for 360, which makes a lot more sense once you think about it. Traditional rectangular sensors waste usable area during stitching, so a square layout could actually squeeze more real information out of every frame. And that one change might be the reason everything else on this list works as well as it reportedly does. Here's the thing about 360 cameras. They've always been kind of amazing in daylight and kind of rough once the sun goes down. Indoor shots, night walks, evening travel clips, they tend to get noisy fast. A larger, more efficient sensor gives the Insta360 X6 a real foundation to fight that problem, and that's exactly where the rumored Pure Video feature comes in. We'd already heard whispers from Pure Video from earlier leaks, but now it actually clicks. It sounds like Insta360's pairing that bigger sensor with smarter processing to pull cleaner detail out of low-light footage. Nothing is confirmed on performance yet, but if it delivers, this alone could be the upgrade people remember the X6 for. Now, here's a detail that's easy to skip past, but honestly might matter more than the sensor. Insta360 is reportedly equipping the X6 with a new AI Pro chip, and the company hasn't said much about what it actually does yet. Think about everything a 360 camera has to process in real time: stitching 2 lenses together, stabilizing shaky footage, balancing exposure, cutting noise, all at once. A stronger dedicated chip could mean smoother stitching, better HDR, tighter tracking, and honestly just a snappier camera overall. And then there's that rainbow-style flourish in the teaser, which a lot of people, myself included, think is a not-so-subtle nod toward 10-bit color support, something earlier leaks had already pointed to. And just when you think the reveal is done, Insta360 throws a curveball. Underwater footage takes up a big chunk of this teaser. That's not random. Leaked documentation before this teaser already hinted at a dedicated underwater accessory, and now it looks like diving and snorkeling are becoming a real part of the X6's identity, not just a side feature. DJI, meanwhile, has stayed almost completely silent about its own upcoming 360 camera, which makes Insta360's approach here feel even more deliberate. Mark August 12 because that's reportedly when pre-orders open, and when we should finally get full specs and real camera footage instead of 40-second teasers. Some reports even suggest more teaser videos are coming before then, so this might genuinely just be the opening move. The real question is simple: can the Insta360 X6 actually back up all of this with real-world low-light quality and processing power? Let me know what you're hoping to see from it in the comments. And if this breakdown helped, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.